Good morning everyone, my name is Noura from grade 5B. Today I'll show an experiment called water purification. This is the dirty water. Big stones stop large dirt. Small stones remove small dirt. Coal removes bad smell and color. Cotton catch tiny dirt. Sand makes the water clear. See, the water becomes cleaner, but it is not safe to drink until we finish all of the process. We can see the power of STEM. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Maisel Hazmi and today I'm going to show you an amazing project that I made, a water pump that works without electricity. This STEM project helped me understand how we can move water using natural forces. This pump is perfect for aquariums and it's completely free to run. Here are the materials I used. 1 plastic bottle, flexible tubing that's about 1 to 2 meters, a hot glue gun, scissors, and a water container. With adult help, I was able to build this in 30 minutes. Here's how I built it. My building process. First, I cut a hole near the bottom of the bottle. Then, I inserted the tube through the hole, reaching the bottle's bottom. After that, I added weight to it, small stones to keep it stable. And then I filled it completely with water. And then I placed one end in my water source and the other end in a lower container. The STEM connection, STEM in action. S for science, gravity pulls the water down while air pressure pushes it up into the tube. T for technology, I used simple tools to create a working solution. E for engineering, I designed a system where all parts work together. M for math, the height difference between the containers controls how fast the water flows. Bigger difference, faster flow. Here are the real-world uses. This siphon principle is used everywhere. At home, draining washing machines or cleaning swimming pools. In history, ancient Roman aqueducts move water across cities. For emergencies, during floods or power outages. In aquariums, changing water and keeping fish healthy. And lastly, on farms, moving water for irrigation. Here's the conclusion of what I learned. I successfully built a water pump by using just gravity and air pressure. This project taught me that we don't need complicated equipment to solve problems. Understanding simple science can create powerful solutions. This pump helps millions of people get water every day, perfect for emergencies and keeps fish healthy. Thank you for watching my presentation. I'm happy to answer any questions about how I built it, the science behind it, or how it works. Keep exploring and keep inventing. صبر.
morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you my incredible project, a water fountain that works without electricity or a pump. This STEM project combines science, technology, engineering, and math to help us understand how pressure works and how water moves. I gathered these supplies: 3 plastic bottles, 3 flexible straws, hot glue gun, scissors, water, and food coloring. Food coloring is optional if you want to see the water clearly. The STEM explanation: science. As the water flows from bottle A to bottle B, it pushes air out. This air travels to bottle C and creates pressure. The pressure pushes the water up and out, creating our fountain. I've managed to do this project using gravity and air pressure. No electricity or a pump needed. Remember, the same science brings water to millions of homes. Thank you. I would be very happy to answer any question about how I built it or the science behind it.
Okay, so for today, I would like to welcome you in our math event. It's entitled Math for 11 Word Powerful STEM.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. Before we begin, our school conducted a water awareness survey with the title of Drop Off Knowledge. What do you know about water? Parents and teachers. The objective of this study is to assess students, teachers, and also staff members. Channel awareness, the importance of water in their facing their lives. So let's discover what we learned. But before that, I have a question for you. What do you think are the most precious resource? It depends on the survey we have sent you before. Anyone knows? Okay. Let's go. Our most precious resource is water. أهلا صباح الخير جميعا وأهلا بكم في رقم تقديمي. قبل أن نبدأ نعرف مدرستنا باستبيان الدرجة العلمية بعنوان فقرة المعرفة. كم تعرف عن المياه للكبار الطلاب والإداريين وأيضا المعلمين. وهذا الاستبيان إلى ملاحظات الطلاب والمعلمين وأيضا أفراد الطاقم ومدى وعيهم أهمية تأسيس استخدام المياه في حياتنا. إذا دعونا نستكشف ما تعلمناه وما يمكننا فعله لحماية أكثر Basic survey, question number 1. How much of Earth's surface is covered by water? 89.4%, or 40 or 35 out of 50 respondents said that 70% of Earth's surface covered by water. So now let's also learn more about Earth's surface and Earth's water. Well, السؤال الأول: كم تعتقد نسبة المياه على سطح الأرض؟ 79.4 أو 70% يعني المياه من سطح الأرض وتطلق. إنه رائع جدا أن نتعلم من سطح الأرض. إذا Basic survey question number 2. What percentage of Earth's surface versus water vapor is usable by humans? So 25.5% of respondents or 30 respondents out of 50 said correct. That's new. That 1% of Earth's water is clean and usable for humans. That's why every drop save the water save the earth. وهذا لماذا كنا نربط الحقل تحديد الأكثر. نبدأ على المياه حتى يمكن الحفاظ على الكوكب.
Next question 3. We have water scarcity in global issues, 78.7%, or almost 40 out of 50 respondents said yes, and they are right. Many parts of the world struggle واستياقا من السؤال الثالث، عندما سئل المشاركون عما إذا كانت ندرة المياه مشكلة عالمية، فقد أجاب 87% أن الضرب 40 من أصل 50 مشاركا بنعم، فهم حقوق. فكثير من مناطق العالم تعاني من نقص في المياه النظيفة. Based on question 3, when asked, based on question 4, we ask, how often do you utilize the water? Only 66% or 33 say always, while others admitted they need sometimes. Remember, simple habits like changing of the tap while brushing can make a big difference. أما في السؤال الرابع، كم مرة تحاول تكثير الماء؟ فقد أجاب 33% أنه يقارب 50 من أصل 50 مشاركة، وأنهم يفعلون ذلك دائما. أما الآخرون فاعترفوا بأنهم يفعلون ذلك أحيانا. تذكر العادات البسيطة مثل إغلاق صنبور الماء أثناء تنظيف الأسنان ممكن أن يحدث فرقا كبيرا.
Based on question 5, which of the following actions do you practice regularly? 95.7% answered turning off taps and brushing teeth, and 63.8% fixing leaks quickly were the top answers. That shows many of us are trying, and that's a great start. Based on question 6, 89.4% or 45 out of 50 respondents answered that water conservation is very important. This is a commendable action showing their awareness of the need to save water. After all, saving water also means saving lives.
When asked about the main causes of water pollution, 38.3% or 20 respondents out of 50 respondents said that one big cause of plastic and chemical waste at the top of the list. The global issues and while there are so many challenges, local actions show our small community while can make a meaningful difference. My answers, 8th question, most of the respondents asked, what is the most effective way to protect our water resources? Most of them said that we can recycle water, wastewater, and educate communities. But actually, we have a better idea. 40.4% or 20% said that we could help water reduce global conservation. Then what is our biggest challenge? There's a lack of awareness and carelessness, but we can fix it starting here, starting now. Does anyone know about this picture? Does anyone know about this picture?
حد عارف الصورة دي عبارة عن ايه؟ شركة تطوير ايه؟ فلتر الشركة الوطنية معلش بقى أنا
The agency plays a larger role in advancing water conservation and Vision 2030, 730.
بس على فكرة حتى الآن بس عشان نقول لك احنا معانا
As part of Vision 2030, NWC is driving sustainable water management for digital transformation, infrastructure upgrade, and strategic conservation programs. This national effort underscores the importance of community engagement, which our survey aims to capture and support. في إطار رؤية 2030 تعمل شركة المياه الوطنية NWC على تعزيز الإدارة المستدامة وتطوير البنية التحتية وبرامج الترشيد الاستراتيجية، وما سعى لنا إلى قصدي هو دعم. Increase the biodiversity, water distributions, and digital services, which will aid in preserving natural resources, and water usage. إذا استوجبت المياه الوطنية في برنامج تحول من خلال التنمية ومعالجتها والخدمات الرقمية وكلها تعتبر بوضع المواد الطبيعية تحسين استهلاك المياه.
Water from the sea. How Saudi Arabia gets fresh water. Ever wonder where your drinking water comes from? In Saudi Arabia, half of our water starts in the ocean. Let's explore how sustainable drinking water affects our life. What is desalination? Does anyone know what that means? It means language, we can take ocean water and remove the salt and minerals from it. Let's see the 3 steps we can use. Step 1, collect seawater. Salty ocean water pumped into special facilities. Step 2, remove the salt. High-tech filters clean out all the salt and minerals. Step 3, fresh water. Clean drinkable water close to your homes and businesses. How much water comes from the ocean? In this graph, you can see half of it is desalinated water, and the other half is groundwater. Half of Saudi Arabia's water supply comes from desalination. That's 940 liters per day. Let's see the steps. Step 1. Each water per person uses 235 liters per day. Step 2. Multiply by families. For example, we have a family of 4. 4 multiplied 235 equals 940 liters per day. Step 3. Find the desalinated water. 940 divided by 2 equals 470 liters per day. Therefore, a family of 4 can use 470 liters of desalinated water each day. Visualizing 171,551. For example, we have a swimming pool. The swimming pool size that is enough to fill 3 backyard swimming pools in 1 year. Bathtub count. There's a lot of bathtubs in Saudi Arabia. You could fill 850 bathtubs with a family's daily desalinated water. Water bottle line. If you line up all of those bottles, it would reach miles and miles and miles. What does it cost? Desalination isn't free. It takes technology to clean water. The Saudi government helps to pay for this important service. 1. Cost per 1,000 liters, 3.75 Saudi riyal to clean 1,000 liters. Step 2. The yearly calculation. 171,550 divided by 1,000 times 3.75 equals 643 Saudi riyal. The annual cost of all of this money is 643 Saudi riyal per year for one family. And there's a lot of families in Saudi Arabia needing millions. So that will cost us to the government millions of riyals. The key takeaways: 940 liters daily. A family of 4 uses this much water every single day. 50% of this water comes from the ocean. Half of Saudi Arabian water starts from the salty seawater. 171,550 liters yearly. That's how much desalinated water 1,000 per year. 143 Saudi riyal cost. The government invests this much yearly to provide clean water. And always remember, water is a very precious resource. Every drop of desalinated water takes energy and money to produce. It is
12 here. And here how many one? 17.